Today I will show you how to draw this drawing is with easy steps. This is AutoCAD 3D modeling tutorial number 2. Before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. This channel will daily upload with AutoCAD tutorials and SolidWorks tutorials, Autodesk Inventor tutorial and other mechanical knowledges. Okay, let's go. To draw this drawing, first open the AutoCAD and I erase the previous drawing, and then select the AutoCAD 3D modeling here. Before we start drawing, please check the units. Type UN for units, type decimal precision 0.00 millimeters, and then OK. In this drawing, firstly, we have to draw this box. We will use the pause command to cut this one. Okay, this is the 100 millimeter length and 45 millimeter width. 145. Okay, we use the pause command and specify first corner, and the length is 100. Use the tab key. The width is 45. Okay, now the height. We need the height. The height is 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. Okay, now we have this back. Okay, let's the layer 0. Okay, let's the layer 0. Okay, we choose the 2D wireframe to view the clearly. As you can see the clearly. Okay, and then we have the next step is we have to draw this part. This part is 10 millimeter width, and the height is 38 millimeters. The center point is 38 millimeter. Okay, draw this one. Change the UCS, the base point, X axis, Y axis. Choose the top. Okay, to draw this circle first. The radius 19. Okay, C, like C for the circle. Choose 2 point, first point, and then the diameter is 90 into 2. Radius 90 is diameter is 38. Okay, now and for the move command, select objects, specify base point 38. Okay, now we get this center is 38 millimeter from the base. Okay, and the thickness is 90 millimeters. Okay, now we have to connect the lines with 2 points. L for the line, connect, then L for the line, connect. Okay, use the train command to delete the unnecessary bugs. We use reg command, region, select jet. Sorry, don't use this command. We can use easily with push pull command. 90. Okay, enter. We have just like this. Okay, and then we have to draw this part 10 millimeter width. Okay, choose the top view using the L for the line key. So it's my first point. Connect the tangent. Okay, then choose the orbit. Use the press pull command to 10 10 or enter, and then we cut out this part, this hole, this slots is 90 millimeter at 38 millimeter 90 millimeter width. The center offset is 10. Okay, to draw this drawing we have to change the UCS onto the face, this face. Get the center point, choose the x-axis, choose the y-axis, okay, dot C for the cycle, the read in this drawing there's no value for this slots, so I put the diameter D for the diameter, choose the 15, just imports. Okay, and then now center offset distance is CP for copy, select objects is 19. Okay, enter L using the L key and line command to connect the two sides, and choose the trim command to delete the unnecessary parts. Okay, here now use the press pull command, select, click the height is 19. Okay, now change the shade width as you can easily view your drawing. Okay, now we have to draw this part is extrude cutouts. Okay, 63 millimeter width, 6 millimeter height, 663. Okay, change the 2D wireframe, change the UCS view, face, x-axis, y-axis, use type REC for REC for the rectangle command. Just the first point, the width is 63 and 6. Okay, use the press pull command. The length is 45. Okay, change the shape. Okay, now there is no cutouts. Okay, so use the subtract command, select object, okay, cut off. Okay, and then use the erase command. This is the drawing. Okay, 2D. Okay, now and then we have to draw the hole, this hole, as diameter is 20 millimeter, diameter is, the depth is 6 millimeter depth. To draw this part, change the UCS onto the face, x-axis, change This is the X axis, Y axis. Okay. Top view. Change. Radius 90. Oh, firstly, we have to make this fillet. Okay. Use the orbits. This fillet is radius 90. F. Fillet edge. Select line. Choose the radius. Radius is 90. Enter. And then enter. Yes. Okay, now change the top view. C for the cycle. Select this one. The payload is diameter 20. D for the diameter 20. And then another hole is 10. Okay. Again C for the cycle. The same base point. D for diameter is 10. Okay. So we use the first point, press through command, change. Press through command is 6 mm deck. Okay. And then now we get the first deck. Change to the wireframe. Another through is 10 mm diameter hole is throughout. Okay. Use the extrude command. Select the cycle to the 90 mm deck. 90 mm deck. Okay. And then we use subtract command. Select the base and then click the extrude deck. Enter. Okay, change the shape with edge. Now you get the complete drawing. Okay, with easy step. Very easy, simple. And use the solid union command. Select the whole object and enter. Now we had complete. Then select objects. Change the layer to the color. Layer 1. Okay. Now you get this drawing with easy methods. Thanks for watching. See you.